Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download Total Commander. It's a legendary two-panel file manager loved by power users worldwide. So how you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then you can simply search here Total Commander and click on the download. Click on the download and you can simply see the 64-bit version only. So if you click on that, click on the download. You can see the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission. Select English. Click next, 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 and installation has been completed. And right now you can simply see into your home screen, hit Total Commander if you open it, and you can simply see the two views. So over here, so you can simply see the side-by-side view of the files, and if you want a dedicated video to understand how it really works, then you can simply comment below. I can show you how you can simply use it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.